How to find square root of 12.25 by long division method. You have to make pair at first. For whole number part you need to make pair from right hand side to left hand side, and for decimal part of this number you need to make pair from left hand side to right hand side of your hand. So for whole number part this will be your pair, and for decimal part this will be your pair. So work on this pair. You have to take here a digit whose square will be equal to 12 or nearest to 12. If you take here 3, then 3 squared is 9, which is lower than 12. But if you take here 4, 4 squared equal to 16, which is greater than 12. So our guessing number 3 is correct. Then 3 square, these 3 must come to the quotient side also. 3 times 3, 9. If you subtract, you are getting 3. Since you have placed here the digit 3, same digit will come under the divisor and you need to add. So 3 plus 3, 6. Bring down the next pair, 325. Before this pair there is a decimal. Decimal must come to the quotient directly. Now you have to take here a digit. Same digit will come here. Okay. So 325. If you take here, look, if you take here 5, same digit will come here. So 5 times 65. Then what will happen? Look, 5 times 5, 25. 25. Write 5, carry 2 to the next column. 5 times 6, 30 plus 2, 32. So our guessing number is correct because we have gotten the product 325, which is equal, right? So 5 times 65, that gives us 325. If we subtract, we are getting 0. As we have placed here the digit 5 in the quotient, same digit will come under this divisor and we need to add 5 plus 5, 10, write 0, carry 1 to the next column. The double of 3.5 without decimal is 70. This indicates that our answer 3.5 is correct. As our remainder is 0, we are done. So the square root of 12.25 long division method is 3.5. You can write like this: 12.25 equal to 3.5.